Hi everyone, this is Kamal from NokiaPowerUser.com, and this video will take you through the hands-on of live lock screen beta, which has been released by Microsoft recently, and we will demo it on two devices, Lumia 525 and Lumia 630. So actually we have heard lots of we heard many people complaining about some kind of delay or resuming screen or when they try to just unlock the device, but in our case we have not seen such issue. So let us see how this live lock screen beta is working on Lumia 630 first. Lumia 630 has got only 512 MB RAM, you may know that. So so in our case it hardly takes a second, and this is my favorite of all the lock screen themes. So it works pretty okay to me. As you know, you can actually go and set various themes, or you can actually change the images. So let us go to that. So here you have been provided by 6 themes. You can actually decide which background, if you can actually add different images if you want. You can also choose how soon your background image changes. So if I set it as Bing images, it will choose different Bing images itself, so you don't have to do anything then. So let us see now how it looks. Again, it's hardly a delay for me. I can still say that there is bit of chance of improvement. So uh, because Windows Phone is known for its fluidity and smoothness, so the app can actually help with some more. But still, I'm not able to see that kind of big resuming or long delay showing that resuming kind of screen with Lumia 630. So now let us see how it behaves with Lumia 525. So my Lumia 525 does not have Lumia Cyan yet. It is like running the Windows Phone 8.1 developers preview. So again, so in this case as well, I see the same thing. It's not a delay. It's like hardly I can get it in in 1 second. So it's, to me it again works fine.